What do you mean?
as a real 10.
What?
Yeah. Like, you could kind of look at it too and kind of see, like, it looks kind of off. And we just scanned it through the system. It doesn't work. That's why I did it, because it kind of looks like paper, like it won't take. You honestly, you could probably go somewhere else and like give it to
That's
them.
weird.
I feel like it could.
I mean, I know it's an old bill, but you know.
Yeah. Thank you. I just didn't want it to get messed up.
Oh wait, does it not have the? I don't think it had the strip back then, did it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
All of our money goes through a system thing, and people who come in and take out our money and like big things.
Yeah, I just wonder without that little, because it has that little hidden strip in the new ones.
Honestly, it probably could just be an old bill, but.
Oh no, I know it says 77 on it.
Yeah. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. I mean, I hope it's real. It came out of the ATM.
Yeah, it probably is real. Did I give you your straws?
No, I didn't get it. No, that's for your guys. Sorry, that's for your tip thing. Yeah, I do get the little thing though, right? The little Brewsy, whatever it's called, whatever, cozy, whatever.
No.